ZTP-as-a-Service provides a faster and a secure way to onboard Arista devices into CloudVision service. This video will show you how to use an on-demand user-generated token to onboard your devices. In particular, we will focus on the USB and Bootstrap script ZTP-as-a-Service option here. Keep in mind, if you have already used ZTP in the past to onboard your devices to your on-prem CloudVision cluster, this process would be a bit different. To get started, make sure ZTP-as-a-Service is enabled on CloudVision. Additionally, you can enable hardware authentication if your switches have the support for it. You can enable these settings on the global level or on a per-device level. Before moving forward, please also make sure to add a compliance token to your cluster by going to Settings, Compliance screen. The next step is to generate a token from the CloudVision service. Go into the Onboard Devices tab to generate a token on demand. Keep in mind, you can use the same token to onboard multiple devices, so feel free to pick an expiration date that suits your needs. Once you generate the token, you can copy it to a USB key. You can simply plug in any USB key into your laptop and create a directory called ZTP and copy the token into a token file. We will also create another file called ztpconfig.yaml and add additional details such as certificate path information. Once you prepare the USB key, plug that into any Arista device and turn it on. It will get mounted on the /mount/USB1 directory. The next step is to make the DHCP server offer a valid IP address so that our switch can communicate with arista.io. Here's a sample configuration for a popular Linux DHCP daemon. We can quickly start the DHCP service, and as a result, we will see DHCP response received message on the switch console. Right after that, we can see the switches starting the communication with the CloudVision service cluster. At this point, if we go back to the CloudVision, we will see device start appearing and the CTP status saying as Bootstrap started. Once the status changed to registered, you will see this device under the devices, and provisioning status would show up as success. As a result, the device will appear under the undefined container. Now you can move the switch into one of your containers and apply a predefined config. Let's go ahead and quickly do that by creating a change control. As part of this change control, you will see device rebooting, and the new configuration will be effective after the reboot. You can either use the same USB key or multiple keys to get all your devices onboarded. Alternatively, instead of using a USB key, you can host this information on a centralized server and use the DHCP67 boot file name option to start the ZTP-as-a-Service process. Thanks for watching.